Yes, hello. My name I'm called Maurice, the crochet master. You're welcome to our YouTube channel, and thank you so much for those ones who are subscribing to our channel, and those ones who haven't subscribed. It's the high time to subscribe because we're going to learn more things.
Yeah, it's Boris the hair zipper, the crochet master. Shit.
More things on how our hair is breaking in front. So I've been I recorded some video showing you how the hair is breaking, but I'm very sorry because it didn't have they told me the sound was high, but on this one I want to show you like exactly what I was meaning on why your hair is breaking in front. So for example, I'm going to show you why do people fear to plait braids. Yes, people fear plaiting braids just because they think braids can break their hair. Yes, uh, braids can break your hair, but let me try to show you how you can plait it, and trust me, it won't break your hair at all. Let's try to see those tricks that we can use so that we should not break your hair. Even the hairdressers who are there, you can look at these ones so that you also, when you're trying to plait, you won't do this mess again. So these are the braids that people always fear to plait. So I'm going to take you straight to my client so that I show you those things, the mistakes that we always do that brings our hair to break, like the mistake we do plaiting the braids and lead to our clients to break. So just I'll come with me so that we can do this together. Okay, so now let me try to show you like why, especially here in front, like as we always reach here in front, there's some things that we always do that make them a break. So on this one, I had said like if you're trying to plait the hair, the good thing this one didn't have the baby hair, so I'm putting the gel as I always tell you to do, just like this. Then when I'm plaiting my braid, there's some inch that I left outside, just like this. Like there's some inch I always leave when I'm plaiting. I don't make it very hard, as you can see, just like this. So it doesn't mean like when it's very hard it's when it's going to last longer. That one is impossible. So the only thing you can do is to make it to be flexible. As long as it's flexible, that you can put it this side, you can put it this side, just like this. You see, it keeps on showing you like it's flexible, so there's no any pain like someone is going to feel. You're seeing it shows that it's very firm but still very flexible. So let me try to show you the mistakes that we always do. This is because it's like this because I'm standing behind. You see my figure, I'm standing behind, that's why it came on like that. But I told you, like when you stand in front like this, let's say you're now trying to cut it like this, because at times those people when they're plating, someone is plating from behind and you also plating in front. So I'm going to show you this how dangerous it is. But when I stand in front, now I'm this side, I'm not behind, I'm in front. So I'm going to show you why it's very bad, like those ones who plate from when you plate standing in front. Yes, just like this. So if someone stand this side plating, that means by the time it's going to finish the braiding, try to look here very careful. So if this person is going to since they're plaited, you see they're all the same. But this I did it when I was behind. So now this I'm in front. If I try to roll it, you see what it does. It brings this thing of you see it's somehow straight than this. This is too flexible, but this is trying to pull the skin. So whenever it's like this and it's already pulling the skin, this is also going to make to bring pain on you, and still, as long as you feel pain, your braids are going to do what? To break. So this is first step. So another step is that those people who want small braids, like packed braids, when you are doing the packed braid, like you want to pack in front. Remember, we always hold a little hair so that can get packed. Just something like this. This is very good. It's okay. Though when you're trying to pack in front, make sure you don't use the big braid, because if I'm trying to pack in front, I won't use the same size. At least I will do it small. Yes, I will do it small. If I'm packing in front, I will just do like this, and I do it, sorry, I will do this size. Cause why am I doing this size? I'm doing this size because I know by the time I'll someone is going to stay with the braids, just like this. You see this size? At least this size can be okay when you're trying to pack in front. This size can be okay, or even smaller. So this one, I do it this way because I'm trying to I'm trying to measure the weight of this braid, because it is very long. So there's no any way I can put this weight, because this is somehow heavy. It won't last, like it won't this type of hair won't wear this, like it can't hold it for all those months that you're going to stay with the hair. So that's why I would advise, at least when you know that you're going to pack it like using the small braids, but you cannot pack and use the big braids. That one will bring your hair to break. So these are some things that why our hair, why braids break hair. It's just because sometimes when we're plaiting, our position, when you're plaiting braids, you have always to stand behind. Even if you're here in front, please make sure you stand in front. Yes, make sure you stand in front like this. Because whenever you stand make sure you stand behind. Make sure you stand behind. Whenever you stand in front, it's very, very dangerous. It's very, very dangerous. So you make sure you stand behind, just like this. This gel always helped me to hold all the hair that can be remaining, as you can see. So whenever, even if you're this up, at least you can tell your client to slide a bit if it's somehow a bit very it's when your client is high, at least you can tell her to slide a bit, but you stay behind. Your position you should stay behind. So this one is going to help you. Trust me, your hair is not going to be painful, and still the braids are not going to break your hair. So this is what you can always do, as long as you're standing behind. Trust me, you will do something good. You see, so here it can go all sides when it is what it is free, because I'm standing behind. But when I play it like this from this side, this is very very dangerous, because when I play this side, to turn it to look behind, it will be bad. It will try to strain her scalp. So this is how we're going to keep doing our thing. So please, you should tap that subscribe thing, so that we get to learn some other things on the next video. I'm going to be showing you on how we should style, so how we should style, and our hair should not break, the basics that we can use so that we can style, and our braids should not break our front hair. But mostly these are the things that makes our hair to break. So much that was our, but I'm going to show you on my next video, so that we get to learn why are these braids keeps on breaking our hairline. They are very good, you can plait them and they don't break your hair at all. So these are the simple mistakes that we always do that brings our hair to break. And I told you at the first place that we the hairdressers, we can make your hair to break, or you the people, you can make your hair to break. So for us, I can plait them very well, but you as a person, you make yours, you make them to break. So on my next video, I will show you the styles that you can do so that your hair cannot break. So thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe. May God bless you. Thank you so much. I love you, and please stay home, stay safe.
It's so light as a tongue on the head, easy to maintain. You can hold the path and